How's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to change your diff covers on a Trx4. I own the Bronco, but it doesn't really matter which one you own. They should work either way. I'm changing mine to the actual stock red ones because I am changing my body to a red Jeep, so it only makes sense to change it red. Just going to take your cover off, obviously. Let's flip this. Let's get a light over here. And you're going to have 4 little screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. At that point in time, you're going to inspect your gears, make sure your gears are good. Simple as that. So now I move to the rear. And there you go. That's how you change your diff covers.